Lemon. A brief description of lemon. Lemon is a citrus fruit known for its vibrant yellow color, sour taste, and refreshing aroma. It's a versatile ingredient used in culinary applications, beverages, and is a source of vitamin C. The fruit is typically small, ellipsoidal, and has a tart flavor profile. 5 basic ways of using lemon. 1. Culinary ingredient. Lemon is commonly used in cooking to add a tangy flavor to various dishes. Its juice and zest enhance the taste of salads, marinades, sauces, and desserts. 2. Beverages. Lemon is a popular addition to beverages, such as lemonade and hot or cold teas. Its refreshing and citrusy taste makes it a go-to choice for enhancing the flavor of drinks. 3. Cleaning agent. The acidity of lemon makes it effective as a natural cleaning agent. Lemon juice can be used to remove stains, neutralize odors, and clean surfaces due to its antibacterial properties. 4. Health and wellness. Lemon is often consumed for its potential health benefits. It is a good source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system. Some people also mix lemon with warm water as a morning ritual, claiming digestive and detoxifying benefits. 5. Preservation. The acidic nature of lemon juice helps prevent oxidation and browning of certain fruits and vegetables. It is often applied to prevent sliced apples, avocados, or other produce from discoloration when exposed to air. Here are 10 benefits of lemon and lemon tea. 1. Rich in vitamin C. Lemon tea provides a significant dose of vitamin C, which supports immune health and helps the body combat infections. 2. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants in lemon tea may help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and contributing to overall health. 3. Digestive aid. Lemon tea is known to have digestive benefits, as the acidity of lemon may promote the production of digestive juices, aiding in digestion. 4. Hydration. Being a low-calorie beverage, lemon tea can contribute to your daily fluid intake, helping to keep you hydrated. 5. Refreshing and calming. The aroma and flavor of lemon tea can have a refreshing and calming effect, making it a soothing beverage to enjoy throughout the day. 6. Weight management support. Lemon tea, especially when consumed without added sugar, can be a good choice for those aiming to manage their weight, as it is low in calories and can be a satisfying alternative to higher calorie beverages. 7. Improved skin health. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemon tea may contribute to healthier skin by promoting collagen production and protecting against damage from free radicals. 8. Detoxification potential. Some people believe that lemon tea can support the body's natural detoxification processes, although scientific evidence on this is limited. The hydration from the tea, coupled with lemon's potential mild diuretic effect, may contribute to a feeling of detoxification. 9. Mood boosting. The scent of lemon is associated with a positive and uplifting mood. Drinking lemon tea can be a simple way to enjoy these mood-enhancing effects. 10. Reduced risk of kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent the formation of kidney stones by increasing urine citrate levels, potentially reducing the risk of certain types of stones. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. How to make lemon tea. Making lemon tea is a simple and refreshing process. Here's a basic recipe. Ingredients. 1 tea bag black or green tea. 1 cup hot water. 1/2 to 1 lemon, depending on your taste preference. Optional. Honey or sweetener of choice. Instructions. Boil water and let it cool for a moment to the desired temperature for your tea. Different teas may require different temperatures. Place the tea bag in your cup and pour the hot water over it. Allow the tea to steep for 3 to 5 minutes, or according to the instructions on the tea bag. While the tea is steeping, cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the cup. You can adjust the amount of lemon juice based on your taste preferences. If desired, add honey or a sweetener of your choice to the tea. Stir until the sweetener is dissolved. Remove the tea bag and stir the tea again. Your lemon tea is ready to enjoy. You can garnish with a slice of lemon if you like. Feel free to adjust the ratios and ingredients based on your personal taste. Enjoy your homemade lemon tea. How to make lemon tea with additional herbs. Certainly. Here's a recipe for lemon tea with the addition of other herbs for extra flavor and potential health benefits. Ingredients: 1 tea bag black, green, or herbal tea of your choice. 1 cup hot water. 1/2 to 1 lemon, depending on your taste preference. Fresh herbs of choice, e.g., mint, basil, or thyme. Optional: honey or sweetener of choice. Instructions: boil water and let it cool for a moment to the desired temperature for your chosen tea. Place the tea bag in your cup and pour the hot water over it. Allow the tea to steep for the recommended time, 3 to 5 minutes for most teas. While the tea is steeping, cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the cup. Adjust the amount based on your taste. Wash and chop fresh herbs of your choice. Mint works particularly well with lemon tea. Add the fresh herbs to the tea and let them steep along with the tea bag for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. If desired, add honey or a sweetener of your choice to the tea. Stir until the sweetener is dissolved. Remove the tea bag. Strain out the herbs if you prefer, and stir the tea again. Garnish with a slice of lemon or a sprig of fresh herbs. Your lemon tea with herbs is ready to enjoy. The added herbs provide extra aroma and flavor to elevate your tea drinking experience. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please like, subscribe and share, so we can update you with more of our seasoned informations on herbs, spices and plants.